Greetings everyone! Today we'll be diving into the false positive method on Excel. This closed method is used for solving nonlinear functions. Our function today is 4x squared plus 3x minus 3 and we're going to find the rightmost root. First, let's set up some table headers. We use A to represent the lower boundary input and B for the higher boundary input value. Then, we'll calculate C as the midpoint between A and B. F of A, B, and C will be solved by simply substituting those values into the function here. We also need two columns, FA times FC and FB times FC. The one that gives a negative value will tell us the direction we need to move towards the root. For the zeroth iteration, we can assign any values for A and B. For the next one, we need to assign A and B values based on what we found in our positive or negative product test that we performed in the previous iteration. And to accomplish this, we can use a simple if statement. If the value given by FA times with FB is less than 0, that means our root is to the left of our midpoint and A will remain unchanged, whereas B will take on the midpoint value. However, if false, the root is to the right of the midpoint and A will take on the C value. The same formula will be repeated for our higher root boundary, which is B. Lastly, we can calculate the error at any iteration, which is simply C2 minus C1. Now, we create a new row by bringing down all other rows. This step is much faster compared to do it one by one. Now, we can create an if statement to check for roots in our code. If FA times FC or FB times FC is less than 0, then we print true, indicating that at least one root is present. Next, let's create small steps in x direction starting from the initial bounds of 0 to 1 and apply them to the function to generate corresponding outputs. The function can then be graphed to confirm the existence of root between the point 0 and 1. Let's just create a line in our graph to indicate where our current iteration of the false positive method places us in relation to our root. And there you go, we have successfully tackled the problem using the false positive method in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching!